Oh.
Who's brand new to VIM? Cause I'm about to punch them.
Watch this.
He's
Look at this.
locked.
Oh, I have my long 2 hands back.
Hurry!
Wait. Oh my god, he's different.
Oh, you guys aren't. How'd you stay still, you robot? Robot?
Hey! You don't call them a robot. You back your ass up right now.
Actually, you can't harass me. That shouldn't occur to this sharing content. Hey, at least I got 2 hands and you don't freaking.
You sound like Alvin and the Chipmunk, but not famous.
That's right.
Why is there one below right here?
Oh, you missed that.
That's right, Rufus. You learned your lesson. Do not even try to bite me. I do it again if you try to bite me again. You better kiss me back.
No!
Again, Rufus, if you stop, I'll give you treat. Okay, never mind. That's like beat his butt.
That's what you get.
Why would you twist my arm?
No, I dare you. I dare you to say that again, bro. Dare you.
No, I can't
Say it
use it.
again, bro. I dare you. I dare you. If you're not scared, say it again.
My God, bro.
Now that's why you gotta say I dare you to and say that you're not scared. I'm a trusted user now. I feel so happy. But
Actually, you dare me so, and I got this on camera. I got this on camera, and you.
I'm pretty known.
How are you trusted user? Who wants to do a video with
I'm
me?
a trusted user because
No one cares that you're a trusted user, okay? No one cares that I'm hand tracking.
do any videos with them either.
Okay, you put a soundboard down.
Bro, my voice. Bro, you goofball. I can't use my freaking soundboard with this. I'm in here. Run with my hand. Ow. Somewhere aligned.
Buddy, you're not too elite. You're not too elite.
Yeah, I know I'm not too elite. I'm literally bouncing up and down because I'm using hand tracking. Let me enjoy my hand tracking. I only have one controller. My other one's lost. Let me have fun with this.
Buddy, you're not too elite. What is that too elite advertising?
Dang it, let me go back to my spot.
Rage quit. You are not too elite.
Yeah, you're right. I'm actually Nick A30.
Amazing! Never back down. Never give up.
Bro, stop oral farming. Let me play.
No, my other controller got lost. I can stand from my home right now.
If you're actually using soundboard, can you put hello neighbor?
Hello neighbor, hello neighbor, hello neighbor, hello neighbor. It's a game called 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 Neighbor.
you happy now?
Skibbity toilet higher raise, Sigma 67 5.
Oh, I also got a guitar, bro. Yeah, we just play it. Yeah, you can't beat the freaking bad song. I'm the one and only.